Alden Mature Update. Yan, nasa event si Alden ng McDonald's. Kasama rin yung iba pang mga ambassador dito. Yun, no? May magkuya Alden saka si Dingdong. At ito pang, bali dalawang event pinuntahan niya. Diyan sa Isko Bolini. Yan, opening. Kasama rin yung mga designer niya. Para sa new house niya. Yan, no? Yan pa nga yung video. Isko Bolini. Yan pa, andyan din si Mama Ten. Ayan, no? Pagkain na agad ng inuna. Kaya interview pa si Alden at Miss Tony Gonzaga.
We're moving into your new home.
Yes, I am.
As a bachelor, so why did you trust Cavalier?
Actually, it was my interior designer, Pat Conan, who's here today, who introduced me to Sir Brian Islets. And since a little background about with the Italian brands that I'm able to come across with, parang that's what I appreciate about Italian craftsmanship. I mean, owning something Italian is not just owning something prestigious or something expensive in a way. It's, of course, it's more than the price. Parang for me, being able to experience all kinds of Italian products, you know that they pour their heart to it, and that's why, you know, being able to have Scavolini inside my home, my new home, siguro probably next year I'll be able to move in there. It's like owning history and owning an art piece inside your house, because I'm at the middle of I want my house to be private, and I'm in the middle of that. I don't want guests as much. I don't want to entertain. I just want whenever I'm inside my home, I want peace, because of our life. Peace. That's what I want. And so the kitchen design by Sir Brian here was made specifically for me and not for guests. So it was made. That's the thing about Scavolini. Everything can be personalized from the smallest of detail, and that's what I appreciate about it. So of course, I don't usually cook, but I feel like having this kind of, you know, product inside your homes is something very encouraging in a sense. And, you know, syempre, Scavolini, I mean, we should utilize and maximize it. And coming from all the stories of Sir Brian and Stefina, of how Scavolini developed over the years, it's, for me, Scavolini is timeless. So I don't have to really think of, you know, a lot of improvements in terms of the kitchen when I wanted Scavolini to be part of my home, because I know that it will last a lifetime.
Wow, beautiful. I think we can all agree. Keep what we and
the Instagram stories of my very, very good friend, the very loving mom, the very, you know, great interior designer, Pat Conan. He's the one who introduced me to all of this. So I'm just so happy that, you know, Scavolini is going to be part of my home soon. Probably I'll be able to move early next year po. Dito pa rin. Secret lang po saan. Malalaman nyo rin yan. So, yes. Everything is Italian. And disclaimer, everything came from hard-earned money and clean money. So, hindi tayo sasabi dyan. So, but yeah, I mean, ngayon
don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Twitcher Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.